Every time you listen to this meditation, they will dream of you. They will daydream about you or dream of you while they are sleeping. Thoughts of you will not be able to get out of their mind. Use this meditation to slide into their dreams and see how much better they treat you. Now let's begin. It's natural for them to call out my name in their sleep now. I am fully convinced that I enter their dreams very easily now. I am fully convinced that I am always in their dreams now. I am fully convinced that they are calling my name in their sleep tonight. It's natural for them to dream about me obsessively now. I am fully convinced that they only dream good and cute things about me now. I am fully convinced that I am their dream person now. I am fully convinced that it's their greatest delight to dream about me now. I am fully convinced that it's their greatest satisfaction in life to dream about me tonight. I am fully convinced that they enjoy dreaming about me every night. I am fully convinced that they have dreams only about me 7 days in a row. I am fully convinced that their most beautiful dreams are about me now. I am fully convinced that they are waiting for me in their dreams now. I am fully convinced that they are impatient to meet me in their dreams tonight. I am fully convinced that they are dreaming about me every time I breathe now. I am fully convinced that they are dreaming about me in this exact moment. I am fully convinced that they are dreaming about me every time I blink now. I am fully convinced that they are dreaming about me every time I speak now. I am fully convinced that they are dreaming about me every second that passes away now. I am fully convinced that they are dreaming about me every minute that passes away now. I am fully convinced that I am always on their mind now. I am fully convinced that I am 24/7 on their mind now. I am fully convinced that I occupy all of their mind now. I am fully convinced that I am with them in their dreams tonight. I am fully convinced that they want to be with me in their dreams now. I am fully convinced that they want me for real now. I am fully convinced that they are certain now that they want to spend their nights by my side. I am fully convinced that dreaming of me makes their night worth it now. I am fully convinced that I have always been in their dreams. I am fully convinced that they pray to the universe to dream about me tonight. I am fully convinced that when they dream of me, their feelings for me go up 100% now. I am fully convinced that they tell me their dreams about me every time. I am fully convinced that they text or call me every time they dream of me. I am fully convinced that they are certain now that they want to spend all of their life dreaming about me. I am 100% sure that in this moment they are missing me desperately. I am fully convinced that they are super happy to dream about me now. I am the one they think of all the time now. I am fully convinced that every time I dream of them, they dream of me too. I know that they are thinking about me constantly now. I know that they are thinking about me obsessively now. I am fully convinced that they go crazy thinking about me. I am fully convinced that I am their main focus in their mind now. I am fully convinced that they are so obsessed with me now that they text me every time. We are constantly connected to each other. I am fully convinced that they think of me daily and nightly. I am fully convinced that they love dreaming about me. I am fully convinced that they allow me in their dreams tonight. I am fully convinced that we meet every night in their dreams. I am fully convinced that they kiss me in their dreams tonight. I am fully convinced that they show me their soft and vulnerable side in their dreams tonight. I am fully convinced that they express their innermost secrets now. I am fully convinced that they love being with me right now. I am fully convinced that they confess their feelings for me in their dreams right now. I am fully convinced that I am always in their thoughts. I am fully convinced that they constantly have sweet dreams about me. I am with them in slumber right now. I am fully convinced that I am the only one they dream about now. I am fully convinced that they want to be in constant contact with me now. I am fully convinced that they dream about our relationship. I am fully convinced that I am their fantasy type. I am fully convinced that I enter their dreams very easily now to affirm this meditation. Every time you listen to this, they will dream of you day or night. And if you need help making them more obsessed with you and getting them to do anything that you desire, let me help you by manifesting them for you. It is really simple. Just click the box on your left and I will manifest anything that you desire, and you can become like thousands of my other clients whose lives have completely changed instantly with my manifestation help. Or you can click the box on the right for more love meditations.